pig atin mo ito.
Alam mo ba, narinig mo kayong sinabi?
Ano?
Nano pala. Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa May Ion Orchard.
Bakit walang light?
Yung?
Colorless.
Yung mga nguso nila guys, ang ingay. Ang daming tao. Maingay man itong nguso ni Res. Uy! Maingay man itong nguso niya. Ano yung ala? Laki naman ng banana. Octopus. May barilan na guys. Di ba?
I want pedstro. Ayun, luggage. Luggage.
Ayun din, no? Ang dami, oh.
Ay, ayun yung babae. Hindi na mga kung magkano. Okay, luggage.
Nagwalwal na naman yung nguso.
Ito, 189.
Ito, 139. Mura lang ah.
Baba, ano bang kinahan mo yung pang tatlo? Ito, 30 kilos o ano? 30
Hindi, mga ganito.
20 lang yan.
Ne? Hindi, oh.
No, pang ano yun? Pang 10 kilos lang yun.
Ito,
Ito, 30. Tamots.
I can help you? Yes.
This one, how many kg, ah? 20.
3.9, but you can put 20 kg.
20.
23 also can. Yeah. Medium size, large, only size.
Oh,
this one
so
is
this one,
do
30
30% off.
Ah.
Yeah. After that is this price, 139, 159, or 119 for cabin size.
Oh my gosh. Malaki palang diferensya. Di ba? Kaya nga.
three colors, yeah. Black, blue, and this one.
This one.
Mm.
Pero maganda yun, di ba? Or blue. Pero kung ako sa'yo, pwede mo naman bilhin to, ah.
Can I bring this down?
Yeah. Can? Can I?
Tapos wag mo nang ibalik.
But this one quite good. The trolley bar they make very thick.
Oh.
Then see normally you see the wheels.
Yeah,
Even
can-
the big one is this size.
Mm.
I think it's very hard to find 159 the price, but the wheel is so big.
So,
This is almost the size of a donut already. Yeah. Then inside open like this. Yeah, very big.
oh, okay.
Good
Yeah.
size, eh?
Mm.
This is for 30 or 40 kg also.
Oh.
Yeah. If you don't control yourself, you put everything in that one, that kind of. Okay, so the expansion, they open until like this. I show you. Expansion.
They have the extension, the side.
Yes.
Ah.
So when you expand, actually it
Become
it's a
bigger.
size, because they become like that.
Like the, okay.
Very big. Yeah. This one, like I say, if you don't control yourself, this one
Yeah,
easily
must-
40 kg already.
Mm.
Yeah. I got this color. I got
Kung ako, okay na yun. So, magkano? Mura na, ah.
Yeah. 160.
Mura na, ah. Di ba?
The trolley bar very durable,
Heavy in...
big wheels. Yeah, easy to push. Very heavy also easy. Yeah, because if you want to find this wheel with this strong trolley, normally it's 200, 300 over. Normally,
Kunin mo na.
I mean, to be fair,
Eh, parang,
it's supposed
siyempre,
to be
iba yung
but
size,
I don't-
may iba yung price niya pag matagal pa.
Yeah.
Kung ako, kunin mo.
Wala kang space.
Walang space sa bahay nyo? Sa kwarto mo, ah.
Yeah. This
When-
is sale price.
Tanungin mo kung kailan matapos.
Yeah, for selling. You only need December. If by December got stock, then you can get.
But the
no
price,
stock,
but the price is the same or no?
hopefully, I
na-
said it will
Up.
go up. Actually, not much usually, but for it to maintain this price,
Yeah.
maybe or maybe not.
Anong brand yun?
Yeah.
May kulak?
Pero maganda siya.
Ha?
Tingnan mo nga. Ganito ba yung luggage mo?
No. Sa akin mas ano yun, parang ganito yung,
Mas matigas?
yeah, mas matigas yun.
I mean,
Oh, okay. No problem. I go back.
Ito ba ayaw mo? Ito ayaw mo? Pero maganda siya, ha?
399.
Pero ilang taon mo gagamitin ito? Hindi bali mahal, basta magtatagal siya
Durab,
sa
oh.
akin, eh.
Pero okay na din yun, ah. Pero depende lang sa... Depende naman sa paggamit. Buwang ka.
Yeah, una, okay.
Di ba? Depende naman yan sa paggamit, guys, oh, yung luggage. Kasi kung mahal, kung hindi ka marunong mag-ingat, mabilis lang din yan masira. Pero kung iniingatan mo, kahit mura, ganun yun. Tingnan na.
Tapos sinabi mo sa iba, tapos sasabihin ng iba sa iba. So, ano mangyayari nung di ba? Nagsismis na kayo, di ba? How much this one, girl?
399. O, magkano na yun sa atin?
399 is
20?
almost nasa 60,000.
O, sipin mo yon.
400s na siya.
Magkano bang palitan ngayon? 55?
More or less.
55 o 45?
Grabe ka, 45 lang. 45 and up. Ang dami niya sinasabi doon. Tapos mamaya paano
Hindi lang.
si Kuya sasabihin niya, sige, I'll come back next time. Di ba?
Kaya.
Mabubudol na naman yan sa dyan. Hindi pa sila tapos, guys. Pero ano kasi mas gulong nito, ano?
Maliit.
Gusto ko yung gulong na ito.
Na yung sa lang yung sa loob lang, na hindi lumalabas na parang dito lang siya.
Oo, yung,
Oo.
pero hindi siya ganito, yung isang gulong lang siya ba?
Kaya nga, hindi yung dalawa.
Oo.
Pero parang wala na ngayon yan eh.
Yeah, pero matibay yung sa
Oo. Parang halos lahat. Pero ito malaki yung gulong niya, yung dinidimo niya kay Dibi ngayon maliit.
Yeah, kasi parang feeling ko na natatanggal kasi yung rubber niya at saka nadudurog yun.
Mm. Ano, may nagustuhan ka na?
Ay, napupusuan, may naiibigan ka na ba?
Maganda din ito.
Magkano?
Mahal yun.
Magkano?
Pero sabi niya,
Hindi, okay lang naman na.
ito Singapore brand, right?
It's a Singapore brand, that's why the price can control so much because of the licensing on it. Yeah.
Oh.
But if you look at the step up, you see the thickness of the trolley and the wheels normally large and protected in the center. So if there's an
Bakit ayaw mong uso ng tela? yung
it's a
tela?
type of expansion,
Maganda din kasi yung tela, eh, hindi masisira.
For crossing, mostly they are much bigger.
Expandable.
The Ecolab
Ito,
sometimes they
199 lang.
because they want to keep everything under control. They want to have
Kasi
a
yan
sleek
kasi pag
profile.
naitapon,
This one, they just let
ma-
you have volume.
Brick ba?
Yeah.
Pero pag ito hindi kasi, di ba?
Ecolab is good if you want to try lightweight. Yeah. Crossing is good if you want something that is quite new, okay, and got big
On
volume.
this new product.
This one is under crossing new product. But it's a brand for many years already actually.
Maganda yung pagkakuha.
I got three colors, yeah. Blue, this, and the black.
Yeah, this color is nice.
Very common like.
No!
Blue, I think, okay. Black color, common, yeah. Blue is over here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
Yeah, the lock is so nice.
Yeah, they change up the look, they upgrade the looks. A little bit, yeah.
it's better to use this lock than the thing, right?
Pero ano siya, okay na siya.
Nag-uusap sila guys sa luggage nila. Kaya lang,
Or December, they completely cut off.
so means the stock is not a lot.
End of this month, I think
Not sure.
still quite dangerous. I cannot be so sure.
Every Sunday I will check.
So can?
Yeah. Every Sunday I come here to check.
Yeah, also can.
Yeah,
No problem.
This one is better. Near the hugger.
Maganda yung blue. Dark blue.
Maganda rin to, pero hindi mandaan.
Bakit may mga yellow doon?
Nagandahan siya dyan sa luggage kasi partner niya. Meow! 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 Kasi cat yung brand niya. Meow!
Maganda kaya siya.
Thanks for watching guys. God bless. Bye! Love you all.